All right, it's a day off. It's a cold, wet day. A lot of chores on the list to do and things to get done. But first, something came in the mail the other day, and I just want to get this knocked out. I'm still waiting on the first part of that accessory, but it's supposed to be delivered here within a few hours. So that'll be tonight's project, and I want to get started on making this video. So stay tuned. We're getting new shoes on the old golf cart. Oh. Woohoo! Look at that! Got some new shoes. Oh. Got some new shoes for the golf cart. But as you can see, they're quite a bit bigger, taller. They're about the same width, but when I saw these, I saw they're painted, but they're also got some chrome in there. And it kind of looks like a little fork horn, antlers. That's what I saw when I first caught a glimpse of them. So anyway, got 4 of those to go on. And before I do that, because they're so much bigger, I got to put a lift kit on this. So I'm waiting for the UPS man now to show up, and says they're out for delivery, and he usually gets here after dark. So we're going to work on that as soon as he gets here. Tonight's project. One of the things I want to check before we do this lift kit is I want to see what the height is before and after. So before we put this thing on the jacks and pull everything apart, let's take a look and say the bottom of that is about 20 1/4 inches to the bottom of that body right there. At the back, let's do, this is the driver's side wheel. Let's say it's 20 1/2. Right there is 20 1/2 inches. So I'll make a note of that, and we'll see where it gets us when our lift kit and tires are on there. Alright, I got the lift kit on, and the front tires are on. It's a 6-inch spindle lift is what it's called, rather than replacing the whole front cross beam. It just replaces the spindles, and so it drops them and pushes them out a little bit. And I got those new tires and wheels on. However, my supplier on eBay didn't send the right lug nuts or the hub cover that goes on there. There's a chrome cover that goes on that. So I put it on with the original lug nuts just to see what it looks like and do the alignment. Didn't have to change anything there. On the back, there's a 6-inch lift back here, and it basically what it did was put the axle, used to sit up on top, and puts the axle down with that spacer block in there. And the shock mount mounts to that plate, and now the new tires and wheels will go on there. my tape measure. We had 20 and a half from the ground up at this point with the original tires. Holy cow. 30 and a half. So I raised it 10 inches. That's wild. With the bigger tires, and the lift kit, I raised it 10 inches. It was 20 and a quarter right where it sits. And now it's 27 3/8. So I gained 7 1/8 inches in the front. Wow. That's some big stuff. So I gained 7 1/2 inches in the front, and somehow I gained 10 inches with a 6-inch lift. I gained 10 inches in the back. Simple project, a couple $100. Now the tires, they were pricey. The tires and wheels were pricey, but the lift kit was less than $200. So I'm happy with that. I'm almost there. Got to do the light kit still. Thanks for watching.